Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how easy it is to make carrucho or conch salad, Puerto Rican style. You may find this seafood dish all over the island, especially in the chinchorros near the coast. For this easy recipe to make, you will need 1 to 3 pounds of carrucho meat, some green, red, yellow peppers, whatever color you like, a large onion, a tomato, but that's optional, a couple of garlic cloves, some olive oil, vinegar, some salt, and a pressure cooker. But most important, a lot of fun. Let's do this carrucho salad, chinchorro style from Puerto Rico.
Look at what I found in Atlanta, Georgia. Some carrucho, and I'm gonna make me a carrucho salad. This is conch, and I'm gonna put it on the pressure cook it so it gets soft before I start cutting it, cleaning it, all that stuff. I'll show you later how I do that stuff.
So, my wife brought me an empanadilla of carrucho. Oh my god. This is conch in a Creole sauce, deep fried, like a turnover of carrucho. I mean, it's delicious. I mean, like, this tastes like Puerto Rico. That's how it tastes. Real good.
So this one is the carrucho turnover. Carrucho is conch, you know, the conch style little beautiful conch in the beach from the Bahamas. We have those guys here, and it's made of probably on a Creole sauce or in a pickle type of olive oil, you know, lemon. It's hot. Napkin. Let's see. It's good. Carrucho have a more sweet flavor in the meat than octopus. It's not chewy. That's very important that it's not chewy. Now you're gonna be chewing your weight. Try to eat this turnover. And it have a good seafood, the soft, sweet seafood flavor. And the you know, the turnover, how you call that dough? I think this is homemade, you know. It's really good. It tastes like a fried bread type turnover dough. You know, just traveler here. Enjoy. This is in Boquerón, Puerto Rico.
This is my plate that I'm going to be eating right now, and I ordered some conch and octopus salad. I talked before about conch and octopus that it cannot be chewy. So
first batch of the carrucho already out of the pressure cooker, and I'm gonna put the second one here. A second batch of carrucho on the pressure cooker that I'm gonna be cooking right now, so you get it soft, and then I'm gonna clean it after that. Okay. So put it in pressure cooker. I'm gonna leave it like, it's a small pressure cooker, so make sure that it gets very soft, and then I'm gonna clean it. Let's see. Oh, I think this guy is done. Let me check. Oh yeah. Very important. Don't make a mess because your wife will get pissed off, very pissed off at seafood stench.
While the conch is in the pressure cooker, getting cooked and tender, let's start chopping the veggies. Take some of those green, red, yellow peppers you bought and cut them in small cubes or bite size. There's no wrong way to do it as long as they fit in your mouth. I have a small pressure cooker, and I bought like 2 to 3 pounds of conch meat at a farmer's market in Atlanta, Georgia. So I have to do small batches of tenderizing due to the capacity of the pressure cooker. It's very important to tenderize it all, or you're gonna be chewing rubber type of meat. Enjoy a taste of the Caribbean at home with this refreshing seafood dish. Authentic conch salad is delicious to serve as an appetizer or as a side dish with your favorite Puerto Rican food. You may find carrucho salad in most chinchorros or restaurants around the island. Carrucho salad is refreshing, crunchy, tangy, and bright. Conch salad is a seafood dish I look forward eating every time I visit the island of Puerto Rico. This is a must if you visit the island. You can do turnovers with this conch salad too. But even if you are not able to make a trip to the island of Puerto Rico, it's easy to get a taste of the island right in your own kitchen. Now that the carrucho meat has been tenderized in the pressure cooker, let's start by cleaning, chopping, or cutting the conch meat into 1/4-inch cubes or bite sizes and place it on a bowl. There is no wrong way to cut it as long as it fits in your mouth. By cleaning it, I meant peeling some skin that may not tenderize in the pressure cooker. Some chefs like to clean the carrucho meat first and then place it on the pressure cooker. I think that you lose a lot of meat doing it that way. These giant and tasty water snails are indigenous mainly to the Caribbean. Conch or carrucho is not a common grocery store item. So if you have the hankering to make this salad at home but can't find it locally, you can order the seafood online and have it eat overnighted. Chop the tomato in small cubes, but this is optional. Some recipes out there don't even include tomato on them. Keep on chopping all the fresh produce and place it on the bowl as well. With this conch salad, you can stuff some mofongo or just place it on top of some tostones. Check your local Asian farmers market because they usually carry their meat. The only real effort needed to make this appetizer of side dish is a bit of prep work to chop all the ingredients. Then everything is mixed together and boom, you have some fresh Caribbean seafood salad. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, click for notification and share my videos. Let me know in the comment what Puerto Rican recipe you want me to do a video of. Now that you have all the veggies chopped and the conch meat in the bowl, add the olive oil and the vinegar. Let me give you my secret. I used sushi rice vinegar. Why? Because why not? Now seriously, because it will intensify the sweetness of the salad. Add some lime juice if you want. Pour the juices all over the carrucho salad. Pair with a Chilean Sauvignon Blanc. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.